So went out for a ride today. Came back, my zipper split. And after looking at several YouTube videos how to fix this and not finding one that I liked, I figured out how to fix it. I figured I'd make a video. So that the zipper cannot zip right up off your neck and come off. They put a little clip on the end here. And it kind of looks like this. I already took it off of this side. I'm going to take it off this side next. I'll put you on hold. So I just popped it off with this here Harbor Freight Special. Now I can zip it off. And bring it back to the bottom and hook it up again. Now I don't know why I'm going to put it back on, but I have a little pair of needle nose pliers. I'm going to put the stopper back in position and crimp it back on. There's one side. I think you can figure out the rest. The zipper's back in. I gave it a test zip. And that's how you fix the zipper.